Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Posole. I have some pork, and I just picked a package out of the freezer. These have bone in, but that's not going to be a problem. 4 cups of chicken broth, some oregano, some garlic, an onion, 2 cans of hominy, and a bag of frozen corn. And this can be the white corn, the white hominy, the yellow hominy, it doesn't matter. And we're going to do this in the Instant Pot. So this is one of those recipes that if I'm having a bad myasthenia gravis day, I can get the kids to help me do the chopping. It can go in, no big deal. Very quick, very simple. Yes, I'm using store-bought things. Still have a bunch downstairs, and I don't know that I'm going to be growing hominy. So, or even corn. Our backyard is not big enough to do a lot of corn. And I don't think we're raising pigs anytime soon. So, there you have it. So all I'm going to do is do some chopping. And they do not have to be in teeny pieces. You know, don't want huge ones, but they don't have to be teeny. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my Instant Pot. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken broth. I haven't tried it with beef broth, but I bet it would still be good. And this packaging has 4 cups in it, which is what we need. Hominy, and I chose a white and a yellow. And I'm not going to drain it. That is a soup. My frozen corn, and it can be straight out of the freezer. It's one of the things I love about my Instant Pot. And you don't have to do this in an Instant Pot. You could do this in your crock pot. You would cook it on low for about 10 hours or on high for about 5. I'm going to do it in about 40 minutes to an hour in my Instant Pot. A little bit of oregano, and I think that's to taste. Let's do a little bit more. is next year I'm making up my own minced garlic in a can. So keep your fingers crossed. We have some in the ground. And I'm probably going to do a couple more cloves, and then I'll start working on the pork. We'll be right back. I chopped up the pork chops, cut around the bone, and I'm going to put these in as well, because the Instant Pot should just get all of the meat off of these little pieces of bone. So I'm not going to wear myself out trying to clear the bone. I'm just going to put these right into the pot. Then I need 2 cups of water, and we'll put it on the Instant Pot for meat stew for about 40 to 45 minutes. We'll check it, and if we have to, we'll cook it a little bit longer, or we'll let it stay warm while we make up some cornbread. There we go. Alright, so I am going to set it for meat and stew, and I want it to pressure cook, and I want it to be pressure level. I want high pressure. Put the lid on. Make sure the vent is closed. We're ready to go. So it'll build up the pressure inside, then it will start doing the countdown. We'll check it and see if we've got dinner or not. And there it is, the pressure cooker making the pork just so tender. Nice hot soup for winter days. Quick and easy for me to make. I said all we need now is some cornbread and some kind of nice dessert, and we are all set. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, liking, and don't forget to come back. There'll be more cooking with the crew. Have a great day.